this is Daljit Singh, student of School of Architecture and Planning. The infrastructure of Lingayas is very good and very awesome.
Hi, myself Omkar Chabra, student of School of Architecture and Planning. The professors are very supportive and cooperative and have expertise and dedication in guiding students and delivering quality education.
Hi, Devolin Mitra, studying at the School of Architecture and Planning at Lingayas University. Here I found that very highly education facilities like several kind of labs like GIS lab, RTGS lab, then we have other kind of fashion design lab, then we have a very good library.
Hello, I am Arpita Mitra, student of Lingayas University School of Architecture and Planning. I want to tell about job opportunity and campusing of this college. Here the opportunity is coming through our faculty and which is very important and which is very much helpful for us.
Faculty of our campus is all are very educated and too cooperative.
Also, timely events and extracurricular activities are held here,
They take us on site visit for the reality experience and too educated approach towards the reality in education.
which enriches the students' experience. My overall experience here was very nice.
Most of the students are getting job after the degree or in between. Final semester is going on, but we almost all are getting job. So this is very much a plus point of this university.